What's the meaning of breeze? Breeze. Breeze.
Breeze. Breeze. The word breeze typically refers to a gentle and refreshing wind that is often associated with a sense of calm and relaxation. It is a natural occurrence that brings with it a feeling of relief and can make one feel rejuvenated. When a breeze blows, it can bring a coolness to the air, which can be especially welcome on a hot day. Additionally, it can stir up the atmosphere, dispersing any stagnant air and potentially bringing fresh scents from nearby flora and fauna. Overall, a breeze can have an invigorating and refreshing effect on both the body and mind.